Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to install Putty and SSH on Windows 11 easy tutorial. So for us to be able to begin, on your local browser, just go ahead and search for official Putty. So you'll be able to find this one in here, which is download Putty, a free SSH and Telnet client. Or you could simply type in their website in there, which is putty.org, so that you'll get redirected onto this link. Right after, you should be able to see an option to download that. Simply click on download Putty in here to head on to their latest release. Now you should be able to see the different installers in here. Just link of the installer which is compatible with your device. So if you're 64-bit, you'll have to choose this, or 32, just feel free to choose on which one applies onto your device. So onto my end, I'm using this, so let's install that one out and we'll wait for this one to be finished downloading. So just a quick overview, 64-bit are mostly used onto a modern system, while the 32-bit is if you have an older system. So just feel free to check onto the settings of your device just to be sure. And once you're done, we'll just have to go ahead and locate the file folder, usually on the downloads folder of your device where you have downloaded that. So I have that one here under my downloads. Now you'll just have to double click onto this and follow the installation wizard. So you should be able to see something like this. Just click on next, choose in the file path where you want to go ahead and install that, click on next, and ensure all components are selected for installation for this. So we'll have to wait for this. And once done, just click on finish. So it will automatically open the README files. So once this file is open, you should be able to see a guide on what you should do next. Check if you have successfully downloaded that onto your search bar. Just type in Putty in there and you should be able to open the app for that. Then right after, as you can see, it will give you an option already to go ahead and connect. So feel free to add in the host name in there, the port number, the username, and the password. Right after, click on open once you have added already the IP. So right after that, a terminal window will appear, prompting you for a username. Type your username and password and press enter to log in. If successful, you'll see the server's command line interface. And that is how easy you could go ahead and install Putty and SSH on Windows 11. If you think that this has been helpful, then don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.